Welcome to Taiba Kids!
Clean up, clean up, clean up, clean up, clean up, clean up, tidy your room. Pick up toys and grab a broom. Make it neat and make it bright. Everything will feel just right. Teddy bears go on the bed. Cars and blocks get put instead. Books go back upon the shelf. You can do it by yourself. Pick up clothes from off the floor. Put them where they were before. Fold them nicely, stack them high. Give your room a happy sigh. Sweep the floor and wipe the desk. Cleaning up is not a test. Little helpers here and there. Show your room some loving care. Toys and boxes nice and neat. No more mess beneath your feet. Now there's space to jump and play. Hip hooray for cleaning day. Mom and Dad will smile so wide, seeing how much you have tried. Clap your hands and spin around. You're the best cleaner in town. After cleaning, take a rest. Tidy rooms are always best. Sit and read or play a game. Keeping clean is fun, not lame. Clean up every day. Put your messy things away. Happy room and happy you. That's what cleaning helps you do.
Thanks for watching Taiba Kids! Don't forget to like and subscribe!